The day was November 24th, 1971. Across America, families prepared for Thanksgiving, but in the skies above the Pacific Northwest, a different kind of drama was about to unfold. Northwest Orient Airlines Flight 305, a Boeing 727, was en route from Portland to Seattle. On board were 36 passengers, a flight crew of 6, and a man soon known as D.B Cooper. Shortly after takeoff, the man in 18C, Dan Cooper, passed a note to flight attendant Florence Schaffner. The note's message was chillingly simple: "I have a bomb." Cooper demanded $200,000, 4 parachutes, and a refueling truck in Seattle. The pilot contacted air traffic control and relayed Cooper's demands. Authorities, caught off guard, quickly agreed to meet Cooper's terms. The plane circled over Seattle for nearly 2 hours as the ransom was gathered and parachutes loaded. As the Boeing 727 circled above, tension inside the cabin was palpable. Cooper, though calm and collected, maintained a constant air of menace. He kept the bomb, a collection of wires and red sticks, in plain view. Cooper showed surprising aviation knowledge, instructing Captain Scott on fuel and the aft stairs. This detail would later prove crucial to his escape. Authorities, eager to avoid bloodshed, complied with Cooper's requests. The ransom money, $20 bills with recorded serial numbers, was delivered. With his demands met, Cooper directed Captain Scott to set course for Mexico City with a refueling stop in Reno, Nevada. The plane took off again, this time with its aft stairs lowered. Cooper, after allowing the passengers and some of the crew to disembark in Seattle, ordered the remaining crew to fly at low altitude and maintain a low airspeed. At approximately 8 p.m., somewhere over the Lewis River Valley in southwestern Washington, D.B. Cooper, with the ransom money strapped to his body, jumped into the night. Despite a massive manhunt in the rugged terrain below, no trace of Cooper or the parachute was ever found. The only evidence of his daring escape were a few bills discovered years later, adding further fuel to the fire of speculation. The FBI launched one of the largest manhunts in its history. Agents scoured the dense forests and rivers of the Pacific Northwest, following every lead and interviewing countless witnesses. The search area, hampered by bad weather and Cooper's careful planning, yielded few clues. The ransom money, with its meticulously recorded serial numbers, became a beacon of hope for investigators. Years later, in 1980, a young boy named Brian Ingram made a startling discovery while digging on a beach along the Columbia River. He unearthed a bundle of decaying $20 bills, later confirmed to be part of the ransom money. This discovery, while tantalizing, only deepened the mystery. How did the money end up there? Was Cooper still alive? Section 5. Faces in the crowd, the suspects. Over the years, the FBI investigated over 1,000 individuals in connection with the D.B. Cooper case. Some were dismissed as hoaxes or publicity seekers, while others presented compelling, albeit circumstantial, evidence. 2 individuals, in particular, stand out as potential suspects: Richard Floyd McCoy and Dwayne Weber. McCoy, a Vietnam War veteran and skilled skydiver, carried out a strikingly similar hijacking just 5 months after Cooper's disappearance. He was eventually caught and imprisoned, but died in a shootout with FBI agents in 1974. Dwayne Weber on his deathbed in 1995, confessed to his wife that he was D.B Cooper. While intriguing, neither case has been definitively proven. Section 6. Cooper's Lingering Shadow, Pop Culture and Beyond. The mystery of D.B Cooper has captivated the public imagination for decades. His audacity, his meticulous planning, and his ultimate disappearance have made him a folk hero to some and an enigma to all. The case has inspired countless books, documentaries, and even a Hollywood movie, ensuring that the legend of D.B Cooper lives on. Cooper's story has become a cultural touchstone, referenced in songs, television shows, and even video games. His name is synonymous with daring heists and unsolved mysteries. The enduring fascination with D.B Cooper speaks to our innate curiosity about the unknown and our desire to believe that some secrets remain hidden in plain sight. Section 7. The Allure of the Unknown. Why does the mystery of D.B Cooper continue to intrigue us? Perhaps it is the sheer audacity of the crime. In an era of increasing security measures, Cooper managed to outwit the authorities and vanish without a trace. His story is a reminder that even in a world saturated with surveillance, some mysteries remain unsolved. Or perhaps it is the allure of the unknown. Cooper's true identity, his motives, and his ultimate fate remain shrouded in mystery. Did he survive the jump? Did he spend the money? These unanswered questions fuel our imaginations and keep the legend alive. Section 8. An Enduring Mystery. The case of D.B Cooper is a testament to the enduring power of mystery. It is a story that has captivated generations, inspiring countless theories, investigations, and works of fiction. While the FBI officially closed the case in 2016, the legend of D.B Cooper continues to fascinate, reminding us that some stories never truly end. They simply evolve, taking on new life in the retelling. And so, the mystery endures. Was D.B Cooper a brilliant criminal mastermind? Or a desperate gambler who got lucky? Did he perish in the wilderness or live out his days in anonymity? These are questions that may never have definitive answers, but they are questions that continue to spark our imaginations and remind us that even in the age of information, some mysteries remain unsolved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment your opinion on D.B Cooper.